English nationality phrases. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today's lesson is about countries and nationalities. Useful phrases you can use to introduce yourself, describe people, and talk about cultures. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me, practice step by step, and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story: Friends from everywhere. Anna goes to an international festival in her city. She loves meeting people from different countries. At the entrance, she introduces herself. Hello, I'm Vietnamese. Nice to meet you. She meets a tall man wearing a hat. He smiles and says, "Hi, he is American, and he loves traveling." Anna laughs and waves. Then she meets a girl drinking tea. Someone says, "She is English. She loves Earl Grey tea." Anna nods politely. A bit later, Anna sees her friend Lee. Lee says, "Hello, Anna. I'm here with a Chinese friend." They take a photo together. At the car display area, Anna sees a shiny red car. She whispers, "Wow, a Japanese car. So beautiful." Nearby, a woman sells delicious noodles. A sign says, "Try Korean food." Anna tastes it and smiles. She walks to a book booth. On the table, she sees a French book, poetry collection. She picks it up and reads a few lines. At the music stage, a band is playing. Someone says, "This is German music, very strong and powerful." Anna enjoys the rhythm. Later, she smells something spicy. A chef shouts, "Thai food is spicy. Come try." Anna laughs and takes a small bite. Wow, very spicy. At the final booth, she hears a guitar. A singer is performing beautiful Spanish songs. Anna closes her eyes and enjoys the melody. She smiles and thinks, "Today, I traveled the world without leaving my city." Now it's time for the Q&A mini story. Friends from everywhere. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. Anna goes to a festival. Where does Anna go? To an international festival. Why? To meet people from different countries. What does she say about herself? I'm Vietnamese. She meets a man. What nationality is he? American? Is he American or French? American. Does he love traveling? Yes, she sees a girl drinking tea. What nationality is the girl? English. Does she love Earl Grey tea? Yes, is she Japanese? Number Anna meets Lee. What does Lee say? I'm here with a Chinese friend. Is her friend Chinese or German? Chinese. Do they take a photo? Yes, Anna sees a car. What kind of car? A Japanese car. Is it beautiful? Yes, is it a German car? No. She tries some food. What kind of food? Korean food. Does she like it? Yes. Is it from Korea or Spain? Korea. She sees a book. What kind of book? A French book. What is it? A poetry collection. Does she read a few lines? Yes. Next, she listens to music. What kind of music is it? German music. Is it soft or powerful? Powerful. Does she enjoy it? Yes. She smells something spicy. What food is spicy? Thai food. Does she try it? Yes. Is it sweet? No, spicy. Finally, she hears songs. What kind of songs? Spanish songs. Does she enjoy them? Yes. Where does she travel? Around the world in her city. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about countries and nationalities. Today, you practiced phrases like I'm Vietnamese, he is American, she is English, a Chinese friend, a Japanese car, Korean food, a French book, German music, Thai food is spicy, and Spanish songs. Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow, subscribe to FluentEase English, and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.